Since early days, many efforts has been made to overcome the difficulties associated with washing clothes manually. It was very painful and time consuming to constantly wash bulky clothes, especially the very dirty ones. Due to research for easier and highly effective ways of washing clothes, electrical washing machines evolved. Presently, washing machines are incorporated with timers. The timer is a device which is subject to the effect of wear and tear and high cost of maintenance. Nowadays, microcontroller based washing machines are available in the market, and these machines are highly efficient, reliable and durable with less running cost. Such a washing machine is controlled by a controller based on software program. Usually, the controller is designed to control the pumping of water in and out of the machine and the washing and the rinsing of clothes. The controller is very flexible and user friendly. Let us discuss about the microcontroller based washing machine controller in this post. The figure shows an automatic washing machine with top loading capability. In the top of the machines, there are knobs for controlling input settings. The functions of knobs are as follows. Load select knob. The load of a washing machine is the number of clothes to be washed. There are three settings such as low, medium and high. According to load, the controller decides the amount of water which to be filled by the electric pump. The next knob is water inlet select knob. This knob is used to select hot, normal or mixed water. There are two inlet pipes for hot and normal tap water at the rear of the machine. The hot and cold lines are hooked up to the body of a solenoid valve. There are two valves, but they feed into a single house. Therefore, depending upon the specified temperature, the hot valve, the cold valve or both valves will open. The final knob is mode select knob. The washing machine can be operated in save mode or normal mode. In save mode, the machine can be used to save detergent. After washing a lot of clothes, the user should take out of the clothes from the machine and put another lot of clothes and restart the machine. During normal mode, the machine operates as the clothes are washed for a specified time which is set by the controller. The detergent water is drained. The fresh water is put through pump. The clothes are rinsed for a specified time which is set by the controller. The water is drained and the moisture is absorbed from the clothes. This happens in the normal mode. The next knob is the program select knob. Usually, the machine is programmed to wash clothes in four different settings such as heavy, normal, light and delicate. When the clothes are very dirty, the heavy knob will be selected. For normal dirty cloths, the normal knob is selected. Delicate is used for silk cloths. To wash clothes completely, the controller should select the parameters based on program select knob. There will be several program select knobs like fill, agitate, drain and spin. The fill knob will fill the water by pumping up as per load select knob. During first fill, the water temperature will be selected by proper tap setting. During second fill, after drain, only tap water is filled for rinsing the clothes. The filling time will be controlled by relay setting. Next is of agitate. The wash basket will rotate in a clockwise direction for 10 revolutions. After that, the wash basket will stop for 2 seconds. Then the wash basket will rotate in anti-clockwise directions for 10 revolutions. This process will continue for specified minutes as shown in the table. Drying. After agitation, the water and detergent are being dried. And in spin phase, during spin, the agitator does not move and wash basket will rotate at a very high speed. Then the moisture of clothes are removed through holes in the inner metallic basket. The table shows a complete washing cycle for each and every modes. A indicator will be there. When a machine is on, a LED will be on to indicate its status. After completion of washing cycle, a buzzer sound will be generated. The figure shows the circuit diagram of washing machine controller. The input signal for controller are load, water level select, water inlet and program select. The level measurement transducers are used to measure level of water of machine. The transducer outputs are connected to P port 0 port to port 0 second pin. Hot and normal water knobs are connected to port 0's third pin and port 0's fourth pin. The output signal of washing machine control or machine on, fill water, agitate control, dry, spin and washing complete. These output signals are available from port 2.0 to port 2.7. Port 2.0 is being connected for washing machine on status indication. Port 2.1 is used to turn on the hot water solenoid. Port 2.2 to turn on the cold water solenoid. Port 2.3 for agitate motor. Port 2.4 again for agitate motor drive, and port 2.6 for spin motor drive, and port 2.7 for indicating the completion of the washing process. The same is being depicted here in the table. The flow chart for sequence of operation of washing machine is shown here. The integer number in the parenthesis states the minutes of operation. For example, agitation 10 minutes means that agitation will continue for 10 minutes. The washing machine controller software consists of a main program and sub-program for the following operations. Fill operation. Fill machine with water. Then agitate operation. The agitate rotates 10 revolutions in clockwise direction, stop for 1 second followed by 10 revolution in anti-clockwise direction. This process will run for specified minutes as indicated by the parenthesis. It can be of 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes and 5 minutes depending upon the mode what we select. Next is of drying operation. It removes water from the tank. This operation is also performed for specified minutes. Finally, the spin operation. In this operation, the moisture of clothes are removed. So here only the main program for washing machine controller is given and the programmer should write the subroutine program so that the machine can operate as per washing cycle. Set bit P 2.0. We have connected P 2.0 to LED to turn on the LED, that is the machine is on or not. So initially once the machine is on, this particular LED will glow. L call fill 1. After the machine is being turned on, the water should be filled inside the machine through the inlet pipe. So for filling the water must be filled for a certain duration of time. So for filling the water, a delay is being called. JNB, jump on no bit, port 1.0 to loop 1. This is nothing but of this check program setting knob for heavy. If port 1.0 is not set, then it will jump to loop 1. If port 1.0 is set, it will jump to heavy. If port 1.0 is not set, it will jump to termination or it will jump to see next mode setting. Next, jump on no bit. Check the program setting knob for normal. If port 1.1 is being set, then it will jump to loop 2. If not being set, it will be in normal mode. JNB port 1.2. It will check program setting knob for normal. If port 1.2 is not set, it jumps to loop 3. If it is being set, then it will be in light mode. JNB 1.3 loop 4. It will check program set knob for delicate. If port 1.3 is not set, it will jump to loop 4. If port 1.2 is set, 1.3 is set, it will jump to delicate mode. Set bit 2.7 indicates the completion of washing cycle. And it will wait, no op is nothing but off, it won't operate for a machine cycle, and after that it will jump to the end of the program. Here I have given the sub programs for heavy, normal, light and delicate. So as we have shown in the flow diagram, in heavy mode it will agitate for 20 minutes and the water will drain for 5 minutes, and again the water will be filled for agitating and draining for the next cycle, and it will finally spin and take out the moisture from the clothes and it will indicate the completion of the process. So this happens for each and every mode selection, but the duration of agitation is going to vary for each and every mode. Here the delay program for each and every process is not being given. You have to write it on your own. So that's all with 8051 based washing machine controller. See you all in the next post. Thank you.